Now start adjusting the product position. Turn on the conveyor detection and click the Start button. After the product reaches the belt, turn off the conveyor detection and press the Start button. When the product approaches the middle position of the brush, turn on the engine button and press the Start button. When the product is about to reach the 9th seat position, open the end seal interrupt and continue to press the Start button. When the product reaches the middle position of the 9th seat, turn off the end seal interrupt and continue to press the Start button. When taking the product, be careful not to change its position. Measure it and move it approximately 30 mm to the left. Pay attention to the direction of the product, with negative to the left and positive to the right. Enter the product position as -30. After entering, enter the manual part and perform a mechanical origin reset. After completion, open the conveyor detection and try again. Fine adjustments can also be made during operation.